I've been to Mosaic last year, so I know a little bit about it.
When you really did, you had to participate.
No. I mean, I'm still in shock, but I think once it's over, I'll be like, oh my gosh, I just like performed at the Mosaic. Like, this is crazy. But like right now, I'm just in a shock mode, so I'm still not present. I mean, like, Mosaic is like a big thing. Like, you get to like represent your culture and everything, so that's like a huge opportunity. So I'm glad to like have that opportunity. Something I haven't got yet. I've never been able to do this. I mean, I'm just mesmerized at everyone and like everyone was so beautiful. Like, I'm just so mesmerized.
That's wonderful. Wonderful, you look beautiful.
My name is Esther Montiel, so ESTHERHLAWNC.
And how old are you?
And I'm 15.
So you grade, and are you the only representative from Korean or other? Yes.
Yeah.
You're very I thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Purposely, so you'll do the change as part of it.
Yes. And then we'll also have well, we like picked up a mix of like dances from like traditional dance and we picked up some moves and then put it into like one little like